Hello, this is David. Today I will show you my project, the drum. Um, I used four motors, a stabilizer, or you could just say the guy who just complains a lot, um, and then the controller for the engines and a receiver. Um, Also a drone frame and a battery, two batteries. It's just for like more flight. Um, the problems that I've encountered were, um, well, the setup with the like pre pre kind of pre pre arm and then arm. I think it was a quick fix, but the other one was a was the stabilizer, which the problem is, well, it's upside down. It was upside down, and was thinking it was actually going to crash. So the engines were like opposite. We're going opposite. Um, that's everything.
Yeah. Okay. Awesome.
Not pointing at me.